Did God create the universe? This question has fascinated humanity for thousands of years, deeply intertwined with the core beliefs of every major religion across the globe. Whether you're Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, or follow any other faith, the idea of a divine creator plays a crucial role in how we understand existence. Religion has always provided answers to life's most profound questions. Where did we come from? Why are we here? In Christianity, God spoke the universe into existence. Genesis tells us that in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. In Islam, Allah created the universe in 6 days, shaping everything with divine will. Similarly, Hinduism describes a cosmic egg which Brahma cracked open to create the world, and in Buddhism, the universe is cyclical, reborn in a never-ending process. But what's intriguing is that regardless of the religion, the story of creation holds a special place in human history. It's more than just a story, it's the basis of hope, purpose, and moral guidance. It's what makes us feel like we belong in a much larger scheme. As humans, we've always felt there was something beyond us, a higher power. But in today's world, science has offered different answers. So what do we make of these ancient beliefs in the light of modern discoveries? Is there a way to reconcile God with the universe's origin, or does one have to cancel the other out? Enter science, a new perspective on how the universe came to be. For centuries, we looked to the heavens, attributing the stars and planets to the work of divine beings. Then in 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies were moving away from us, leading to the theory of an expanding universe, the Big Bang Theory. The universe, it seemed, had a beginning. It wasn't eternal. It wasn't always here. In this theory, around 13.8 billion years ago, all matter, energy, and space existed in a single, incredibly hot and dense point. Then, for reasons still not fully understood, this point exploded, rapidly expanding into the universe we know today. Now think about it. This sounds awfully similar to the religious concept of creation. In many ways, the Big Bang can be viewed as the scientific version of "let there be light." In the Christian tradition, God spoke, and the universe began. In science, a colossal burst of energy formed galaxies, stars, and eventually, life on Earth. Even scientists like Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking have discussed the idea of God or a higher power, not in the religious sense, but in terms of an initial cause. Could the laws of physics be the language of God? Could the precise conditions for life in the universe point toward an intelligent designer? Whether you believe in God or the Big Bang, there's one undeniable truth. The universe had a beginning. And this is where the overlap between faith and science becomes fascinating. Let's take a moment to dive deeper into the idea of God and the universe's creation. While science provides explanations for the how, many people of faith argue that religion provides the why. Science can explain the mechanics of the Big Bang, the formation of stars, galaxies, and planets. But why did the Big Bang happen in the first place? What force caused that explosion? This is where many believers find comfort in the idea of God. In Christianity, God is not just the creator of the universe, but the sustainer of all things. In Islam, Allah's will drives the order of the cosmos. Hinduism talks about divine energy that permeates every aspect of the universe, guiding its creation, destruction, and rebirth. Even Buddhism, though more philosophical, sees the universe as a manifestation of deeper spiritual truths. For many people, science and religion are not at odds. The famous physicist George Lemaitre, who first proposed the Big Bang theory, was actually a Catholic priest. He saw no conflict between his scientific discoveries and his belief in God. In fact, he believed that the Big Bang was simply a glimpse into the divine. But there's another side to this discussion. While some people see the universe's complexity as proof of God, others believe that the more we understand the cosmos, the less we need to rely on the idea of a creator. As science explains more about the laws of physics, quantum mechanics, and dark matter, is there still room for God? It's a question that doesn't have an easy answer. Yet, it's one that brings us closer to understanding not just the universe, but ourselves. So, where does that leave us? Did God create the universe? Science provides one answer, religion provides another, and somewhere in between, we find ourselves, searching for meaning, purpose, and understanding. Some people may argue that the Big Bang and evolution explain everything, that science can and will eventually answer all our questions. But even the greatest scientists admit there are mysteries we may never solve. Why is the universe finely tuned for life? Why do we exist at all? For believers, the answer is simple. God created it. God sustains it. And science, in all its brilliance, is merely uncovering the intricacies of God's design. For others, the beauty of the universe lies in its randomness, a chaotic dance of atoms and particles with no need for divine intervention. But here's the truth. No matter what you believe, we're all a part of this grand unfolding story. Whether written by the hand of God or the laws of physics, the universe is a place of wonder. It's filled with mystery, beauty, and awe. In the end, perhaps the question isn't whether God created the universe. Perhaps the question is, how do we as humans find our place within it? Whether you look to the stars with faith or through the lens of science, we're all searching for the same thing, a sense of belonging in this vast, incredible universe. And that, my friends, might be the greatest mystery of all. If you enjoyed this journey into the intersection of science and religion, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and join us next week as we explore more of the universe's greatest mysteries.